Conditional resource creation. Terraform only creates graph nodes that exist in the configuration. A boolean gate changes whether a node exists, which changes whether Terraform plans a create, destroy, or no op. A conditional expression feeds count or for each. When the expression evaluates to empty, Terraform removes that node from the graph, which produces a destroy if it already exists in state. When the feature flag is set to false, the count is set to 0. When the feature flag is set to true, the count is set to 1. Count equals 0 means the resource has no instances, so it does not exist in state. Count equals 1 creates exactly one instant at index 0, so the address becomes stable only while the count stays 1. A counted resource may not exist, so the direct indexing can fail at planned time. Guarding the reference prevents invalid index and keeps plans readable when the feature is off. When feature on is set to true, there are set values for the map. When feature on is set to false, it's an empty map. For each equals empty map means 0 instances. For each ties identity to map keys, so it avoids index-based identity and stays stable during refactors that would reorder lists. A for each resource might not contain a key when the map is empty. Try converts missing instance into a controlled no, so downstream modules can branch without crashing plan. Turning a gate from on to off removes the node from the graph. If the object exists in state, Terraform plans a destroy because the configuration no longer claims ownership of that object. On the submarine, you do not toggle off an oxygen generator to see what happens. You simulate the condition first because the system will obey the switch faster than humans can recover. A Terraform feature flag is the same class of control. If the flagged resource is stateful or safety critical, flipping the boolean is not a preference change, it is a decommission command.